On January 1st, 2025, two women were arrested for felony retail theft at a Target store, one for $300, the other for $664. Both believed they could simply offer to pay and walk away. Were they right?
When you said I thought.
Hello, officer.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hi.
Have a seat.
I didn't mean to do this. I can pay this.
Okay, so she has in her purse around $300 worth of unpaid merchandise. So just take everything out, okay?
Yeah, I'll pay for it.
Yeah, take it out.
All right. No, I was gonna give it to somebody. Okay? I'll pay for it, I promise.
Right now it's too late, right? To pay for it? You already tried stealing it?
No, but I can always pay, right, sir?
No, you cannot.
Huh?
You already have to go to close.
But I'll pay for it.
Have a seat, please.
Have a seat. Do you have any ID on you?
No, I don't have.
You don't have any identification?
It's in my car.
It's in your car? Okay. What kind of car do you have?
I'll pay for it.
What kind of car do you have?
Just don't ruin my name.
Huh?
Just don't ruin my name.
Don't ruin your name?
Yeah. I
Okay.
promise. I pay
You
for
ruined
it.
your own name. So I'm gonna need your name. Have a seat. Do you have anything on your person that may hurt anyone, like needles, knives?
No, I don't have anything.
Don't listen. Put everything down. I didn't ask you to do that. Take off that jacket for me. Put it over here. Don't go in your pockets. Listen to my instructions, okay?
Okay.
Stand up. Take that jacket off. Place it right over here. Right over here. Place the jacket over here.
But,
Right there. Put your hands up. Turn around. Okay, have a seat. Have a seat.
All right.
Is this your jacket? I'm sorry? Yes?
It's mine too.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
No, that's mine.
It's brand new.
Yeah. Stop lying, man. Why are you lying?
No, bro, I put it over there in the bag. I'll pay for it.
Those are Ray-Bans.
Yeah.
Target.
Can I take a picture of you just for records?
But there always says like you can pay for it.
No, not at Target. Only at Walmart, not at Target, okay? Target's really serious about theft and all that stuff.
I know, but there's always saying you can pay for it.
At Walmart, not in here. No, you cannot pay for it no more, okay?
What can I resolve it? It's
Um,
New Year,
so,
please.
I know. Give me two things. So, ¿por qué está robando, oiga? ¿Por qué?
No, I'm not. I don't speak
You don't
Spanish.
speak Spanish? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines? Oh, okay. When did
But
you get
sir,
here?
listen. I can pay for this. I'm
So late.
professional.
So late. I'm professional too, and I gotta do my job.
Sumaya. Sumaya is your middle name?
Yeah, opo.
Huh?
Opo. Yes, sir.
Okay. And your last name is
Yeah. Listen, I know this stuff. I know that when you do that, you can always pay. So
No, you
don't go through it too much. It's New Year.
I don't
I'm
care
very
if it's New Year.
sorry. Please.
I don't care.
Please, sir.
No, you're saying $300,
I'll pay for
$400.
it. I'll pay for
No,
it.
you cannot.
What is your address?
You ruined my
Ma'am,
name.
do me a favor. Don't argue with him.
Okay.
Okay? Everybody has a job to do, right?
Okay.
This is his job, is to catch people who steal, right? If the company has an ordinance that they're not going to let anybody go past a certain amount, then that's his job to continue and follow that ordinance.
Okay.
It's not yours to dictate whether or not he could let you go or now you want to pay for all the shit that you took. Okay?
Can I pay for it because I have to give it to somebody tonight, please? It's a birthday. I still have a patient to go. So if I can pay for it, I know.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse, registered nurse, or
I'm a registered nurse.
registered nurse? Okay. What brings you over here?
No, I have a patient nearby here in North Latrobe. So I go past.
On North Latrobe?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't mean to like what I said. I'll pay for it. It's New Year. I know Walmart does that, but I know we do.
How many times have you been arrested for retail theft?
No.
Never? What about theft in general?
No, never. It's just first time because I'm rushing.
Okay, let's try this again. How does the name on your license appear? Because you're not coming back with no record. Okay?
We can go to my car,
See
but I
what?
want to pay this because I want to.
Hold on a minute. See what?
Marifi Sumaya
Okay, is the name Sumaya,
middle name.
is that spelled out in your license?
Sumaya. That's Filipino.
Can you give me a copy of the video and stuff?
Yes, sir. You have a USB?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I can put it in there.
And also, do you have any complaint forms?
Yes, I do.
Are they the new ones?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For the payment.
Yes. It's the same thing, the same way. You get the number receipt, the same way.
Turn around. Alright, let's go.
I'm not running.
Huh? What'd you
Very
say?
sorry for me.
You're very sorry for you? Okay.
I'm married to a cop.
You're married to a cop? No, you're not.
I am in New Hampshire. Starting. Look it up.
New Hampshire?
Yeah.
Where's that? In the state of New Hampshire? Oh, okay. So he's not a cop anymore?
I used to be U.S. Air Force.
Huh?
I used to be U.S. Air Force.
He used to be reserved?
Yeah. My son too.
Under the merchant's privilege doctrine, retail theft is legally complete upon concealment with intent to deprive, not upon exiting the store. Offering payment afterward is not a defense. Target loss prevention lawfully detained both subjects under this doctrine before transferring custody to officers. The detentions, searches incident to arrest under United States v. Robinson, and same-sex search procedures were all conducted within constitutional bounds. Neither subject received Miranda warnings before extensive questioning. Under Miranda v. Arizona, advisement is required only during custodial interrogation. A store office detention may not qualify, but best practice demands advisement at formal arrest. Subject 2 voluntarily stated, "I did do the crime," admissible without Miranda as a spontaneous statement under Rhode Island v. Innis. Her remark about first of many offenses gives prosecutors evidence of ongoing criminal intent at sentencing. Subject 1 attempted badge dropping, invoking her husband's alleged law enforcement status to gain leniency. This carries no legal standing. Selective application of professional courtesy would violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. Subject 2 accused loss prevention of promising not to call police. Private employee statements do not bind law enforcement and cannot prevent prosecution.
The woman was charged with felony retail theft, booked and later released with a scheduled court date. In this next case, Target Loss Prevention detained a suspect in their office after she attempted to leave the store with $600 in unpaid merchandise. She appeared to believe she would simply complete paperwork and be released, but officers arrived.
Hey, it wasn't my mom's, okay? It wasn't my fault. It made
You just said you weren't calling the cops.
Yeah, but
You said that 3 different times.
alerted them, so but you have to sign right here.
I'm not signing a blank piece of paper.
Alright, well, I mean, you
There's
still
no
gotta deal with
difference.
them.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah.
Like, thanks for
So,
lying to me,
Do you
dude.
have your ID or driver's license?
No, I just gave him the information I had. I don't have an ID. I'm trying to catch the bus. This is crazy. I didn't know that he promised he wasn't calling the cops, but I wasn't stealing just to steal, sir.
Okay, but you were stealing them, right? Right?
Am I going to jail or something? Can we get my
How much
is
is 664. It's basically all this. It's your last name.
664?
Yep.
Yeah, me too.
All the shopping cart?
Am I going to jail right now?
I don't know.
Are you guys arresting me?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? How do you not know?
Because I don't know what happened yet. I have to talk to them. I'm just asking you for your information.
I just want to know if I'm going to go
Yeah, I know you're in a huge rush.
I'm not in a rush that.
I
want to
don't
go to
know if
jail.
you're going to jail. I haven't talked to him yet.
Okay.
Have you heard me talk to anybody but
No,
you since I walked
that's
in here?
not
So
asking.
slow down.
Okay.
You're not going anywhere till we're done.
Yeah, clearly.
Clearly. What's going on?
Basically, she was caught coming in, had a huge bag. She started putting merchandise in her bag as she was walking the floor. Found her bag, and after that, she came up to the front, passed all the check lanes, went downstairs without paying for it, and that's when we brought her up.
Okay. How much stuff has been taken?
664.
Okay. What do you guys want done? Do you want her arrested?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really? Wow. That's crazy.
Can you take your purse off? You want to stand up.
After all, listening to Polly be good.
Drop the bag.
When I check my stuff.
Nope. Put the bag on the ground. It's behind your back, okay? Okay.
I have a butter napkin. Can I throw this out?
Just drop it out.
Go, wait, do I have to spend the night in jail tonight too?
Huh?
Do I have to spend the night in jail?
We'll explain everything later.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I want my bag and my purse.
You'll get it.
Please and thank you.
Nothing illegal in there, right?
No.
That we have to worry about? Guys, we're gonna search.
Yeah, I know.
You have anything on your person? There's a female officer that searches you and lock up.
Good. I'm not signing that piece of paper because there's nothing on that piece of paper.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha.
yeah. I don't like how that was like that.
Okay.
He lied to me, obviously. Not that it matters. I did something wrong. You know what I mean? Like, I get it. But that's not how it's played out.
Nothing else, right?
No.
Because we're gonna have a female search.
That's fine. Oh my god. That was so rude. These fucking dude, fuck. Target sucks.
First of many offenses I'll probably have throughout my almost experience and career. Dude, God, I'm sorry, but I didn't do the crime, so I guess I gotta do. I hope they don't fucking make me spend the night in jail tonight.
The woman spent the night in jail and was charged with felony retail theft before being released the next day with a scheduled court date.
Officers receive a B+. Procedure was sound safety checks, evidence collection, policy compliance. The deduction is for failing to issue Miranda advisement before extensive questioning, creating a potential suppression risk. Subject 1, the nurse, receives a D. She never invoked her Fifth Amendment right to silence, made every statement against her own interest, and attempted badge dropping. Every decision weakened her legal position. Subject 2 receives a C-. Premeditated theft and self-incriminating statements earned the low mark. However, refusing to sign a blank document from loss prevention was the single best legal decision across both incidents. Target loss prevention receives an A-. Thorough surveillance, proper detention, and clean evidence handoff. The deduction is for allegedly misleading Subject 2 about police involvement. Lesson 1. Payment after concealment does not undo the crime. The offense is complete the moment merchandise is hidden with intent to steal. Lesson 2. Silence is a constitutional right. Both subjects talked themselves into stronger cases against them. Invoke it. Use it. Lesson 3. Never sign documents you have not read. No one is legally obligated to sign anything presented by a private party during detention. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more content.